Well, the theme आज बहुत classic थी. Very simple lines, clean lines, classic with pretty girls showing off the jewelry, especially since Reena ने whites use किए हैं. So we tried to keep it very classic and give a message out that I think the royal jewels are coming back on straight lines with big diamonds, and the fusion look is quite of fading off.
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया because I walked today for Reena Dhaka and Poonam Soni, and I just love both their styles, and them collaborating together is beautiful because first of all it's all white. It's very simple, classy, elegant, and very ethereal. It's that feel. Plus, Poonam's jewelry is just adding so much of royalness to the outfit. So I loved walking the ramp for both of them today.
About your jewelry because it's looking very beautiful.
Yeah, I just feel like a royal.
So this particular piece is like very fusion in the sense it's classic fusion जहाँ पर हमने we've used stuff like rubies, emeralds, jadao, diamonds, but we put it in a very royal style, and of course Manjri is doing total justice to it.
Excitement होती है, थोड़ी सी nervousness तो definitely होती है. But you know, when you walk on the stage and the music coming in and everyone in the audience cheering you, I think you get pepped up. So yeah, I love it. अभी बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. Right now the next thing that will come is my short film, Playboy Mr. Sunny. And apart from that, I'm getting a lot into music recently. I have done a single which will come out very soon, and there's some covers I'm working on. So yeah, music is coming back into my life.
It's a romantic horror action thriller short film.
The short film is I can't talk much about it right now. I can just tell you it's got a very interesting cast. It's got Jackie Shroff and Divya Datta and Arjun Bajwa, Neetu Chandra, myself. So it's a very interesting cast and a very light-hearted, fun short film.
Are we looking forward to it? We are going to see it.
Yeah. Yes. See, whoever saw it got entertained. But I wish more people saw it, and I think it's a very entertaining film. So I'm very happy with the way Baba Black Sheep turned out, and yeah, I think that's all I'd like to say right now. Oh yes, why not? See, as an actor, I never restrict myself to one medium. I love acting. I love my job very much. So yeah. So definitely. That's Reena for you.
Sorry, I was just thanking everyone who had to wait for a long time to see the lovely Manjri and Poonam's jewels. Yeah, so it's a modern take on a new kind of a fashion of saris where I've done a simple layering, and these are fringes we have made in a special technique on a loom, and they are used with a bit of stretch to give it flexibility and modernity. And the idea behind my white and the cream line is, you know, this is the era of Me Too. So my wish is for peace. And the peace and its symbolicism is what we try to throw to you by way of the collection, and all contrasted it with the hope colored stones.
Actually, it was so much easier to design with the white and the beige look that I think we all fused it so well together.
Yes, I think it's time people stand up for themselves and speak up, and the change happens. It's very important. Yes.
Wedding season is this time is throughout the year for the film industry.
Yeah.
किसकी शादी की आप सबसे ज़्यादा बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रही है?
किसकी शादी की? Definitely Deepika and Ranveer.
I was just going to say
Definitely that. Yeah.
आप कंफर्म कर रही हैं कि शादी हो रही है?
मुझे क्या पता? I mean, like, I don't know, but as of what I hear, I think so.
कैसे दिखती है as a couple? Anything you like to say about both of them?
I think they make a gorgeous and a very adorable couple. Yeah.
And what do you think is today's woman's superpower in this industry?
woman's superpower in this industry. Being a woman by itself, I think, is the biggest superpower anyone can have. Yeah.
So I will cut you here because you are the tallest. This is Elnaz Narouzi. She opened the show for us and she's also an actor.
मतलब you're collaborating at international level, like she's from Iran.
Yes.
मतलब बहुत अच्छा है कि दो संस्कृतियों का मिलन हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
इसको आप विस्तार से बोलें आप.
विस्तार से बोलूँ, मैं बस बोलूँगी इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. हमेशा बहुत अच्छा होता है when two cultures are coming together, and she's such a beautiful girl.
Yeah.
And they both have done a beautiful collaboration together. So I think the Indian and the Irani and the whole thing has come out very beautifully.
Majid Majid's film is also releasing Beyond the Clouds. Can you just tell us about people who have met? अभी आप मिले हैं उनसे.
I am actually very, very excited about this film releasing. Okay. Yeah, come a little closer. Okay. I'm very, very excited about his film releasing, and I was supposed to meet him when he was here, but I couldn't because of work. But I'm going to be there to see his film, and yeah, it's very exciting. Very exciting that we have Iran working with India now.
Any plans? Plan कि आप कुछ across the border films के लिए like combination, just like she's here.
Yeah.
Also plan.
I would love to do crossover films.
I think Manjari is a fantastic actor. I mean, I'm sorry I interrupted you.
I absolutely second that.
अनामिका का कहना मतलब और दोनों का कहना बहुत मायने रखता है. बहुत कम लोगों की तारीफ करते हैं.
Thank you. I'm very touched that they believe in my talent, and yeah, I'd love to do crossover films.
ये होगा कि आप वहाँ पे इनकी कास्टिंग कराएं और आप इनकी यहाँ कास्टिंग कराएं.
Why not? Definitely, why not?
अगर नेक्स्ट जरूरी हो तो प्लीज आप
Yeah.
माजिद जी से कहिए कि इनको लें.
We'll exchange numbers after.
Yes. पहले उनको कहूँगी कि मुझे ले लो फिल्म में, फिर इनको ले लो.
अरे वो हिंदी
She knows Hindi now, yeah?
अच्छा, आपको पता नहीं था. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अभी हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं.
और उर्दू और फारसी बोलेगी.
Wow.
पूरा एग्रीमेशन हो चुका है.
Sorry. Oh. और जैसे मैंने अभी बोला, मेरा एक सिंगल आने वाला है. I have recorded a very beautiful single with my music director friends Arif and Troy. So we're just waiting to shoot the video of that. That'll be out soon, and I'm doing some covers as well.
In next 15 seconds you will be giving us a highlight of the song.
And you'll be telling me what you'll wear.
Reena Dhaka and Poonam Soni.
Manjari, let's be a sport and give us a highlight of your vocal cords.
Launching the song here today.
I cannot launch the song right now because I'll get killed for that. But I can maybe sing 2 lines of my song.
Oh, go ahead. It's the best
You
way
can
to
clap and
introduce
give
your
it the
song. They're all yours.
Okay, okay, I'll sing Dua. He only asked me. No, don't look at him like.
सारे प्लान चौपट कर दिए. चलिए आप.
किसे पूछूं ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है. Right now.
Very good.
Wow. Wow.